Hi, we're here today at eimports4Less, filming a short video about a vehicle that just came in. It's a real special BMW X5 here. Of course, you can see that it's an M Sport package vehicle. This one's carbon black. It's got the ivory, like the cream beige color interior in this one. It's a 5.0, it's an M Sport, so a V8 twin turbo. You can see all of the M Sport trim all over this car. Flared wheel wells. Again, there's a carbon black metallic color, which is not quite black. It's like a really dark blue. You can see that. It's got the M Sport wheels, Shadowline exterior trim, the M Sport body kit. Really clean overall vehicle. 29,000 original miles on this one, and it's got some really unique equipment. So it's a third row seat car, which is very hard to find a BMW X5 that's a 7-passenger setup. So it's got that. The ivory interior package comes with the soft touch leather. This one has air-conditioned seats, heated seats, you know, M Sport steering wheel. It has the $5,000 Bang & Olufsen sound system, so that's a really unique one. Also has all of the assist features: lane keep, blind spot, collision warning, all of the assist features that you'd order in a modern car. This one has it. It's a $90,000+ window sticker. So a lot of these that you're seeing for sale are $70,000, $72,000 cars. This one was 90+. LED headlamps, everything else. So again, it's a 2015, 29,000 original miles. You can give us a call here at the dealership for all the details, 215-249-9100, or you can see everything on our website at eimports.com. Thanks.